Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to verify your account in IFC Markets. You click on your profile and then click on the authorization profile. And in this section, you confirm your date of birth for verification, your identity, and in the verification section, you register your date of birth and also upload a copy of your ID card, driver's license, or passport for identity verification. And if you wish to send an additional file, you can upload it in this section by clicking on Add New field. In the address section, you enter your full address, such as city, area, postal code, and in this section, you upload a copy of your document to verify your address, like a bill or bank statement. Note that your document must be no older than 6 months. And after uploading the documents, you click on Save and Submit. And at the top of the page, you can see that our documents are under review. Friends, as you can see, our account was verified after a few hours. Good luck.